Todd, Bubba, Horowitz, you called it. The Fed stayed with 3 hikes and gold climbed higher, all like you forecasted when we talked last week. So the question now on everyone's mind, can gold keep this momentum going?
Well, hi, Daniela. Can it keep going? Listen, the key levels remain the same, 1365 on the upper end. If we can get through there, then we can go to 1400. If they can't get through, we can continue in this big, wide trading range we've been in for a couple of months. And I see no reason why it can't break out. But I do see the U.S. dollar starting to take a charge because I do believe the dollar is going to be the black swan to the market, and the dollar is going to get away from the Fed as well because that was their last hope to control interest rates.
So you think the dollar's heading higher?
I think the dollar's heading much higher. It's been being suppressed by central banks and the Fed because what that does is it keeps interest rates artificially low in global lending, not in the United States, but in global lending, because think about it, the euro currency at $1.25,
right.
It's a 25% discount to their lending rate when they're borrowing from the United States. So it does help them suppress, it helps them manipulate, and it keeps the magic act of Houdini working.
So what does that mean for gold then?
Well, if the dollar starts spiking higher, gold could fall. And again, I wouldn't be surprised to see gold go down and test that 1,300 or even worst case, 1,240. However, very long term, I'm extremely bullish gold, but I do see some bumps in the road.
So long term, you think it will break past its high this year of 1365?
Oh, yeah, I definitely think that gold is going to go much higher. It just depends on how it gets there and some of the other interfering factors. Remember, when you have a manipulated economy by the Federal Reserve, it does change some of the dynamics of free market trade.
All right, let's look at the gold-silver ratio, which I know you love talking about, widening even more after the Fed. It's now at 81. At what point, will this reverse, or is this ratio just going to keep going higher here?
Well, I think that it can go as high as it wants, but at some point it's going to reverse and it's going to get cut in half at some point, and that will be the time, which is why I continue to be more bullish silver than I am bullish gold. I am bullish both, but I would be accumulating silver faster than gold because I do believe that relationship is going to change and go back to 40 or 50 at some point, and that's where we'll see real market action. And when we get really bullish and when the real buyers start coming in, you will see that ratio change and you'll see it start to move back down and get down to the 50s or 40s.
Todd, always a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Danielle. Have a great day.
And thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.